Hello, in this session we'll create a model pool program using the type model pool, and also in previous session we have created one number range object. That object we'll use in this session. So first we'll create a table for the employee assignment. Let's see that like we want to assign some tasks to the employee. So for that first we'll create a table zzemp underscore assignment. So let's create a table first. ZZEMP underscore sign. Create employee assignment oblique task. Give the type as A. Click on fields. Mandate. So what you want? Each task will have a unique ID. Okay. So along with mandate, our the ID will be the primary key. Let's type PPLN. Let me copy some other fields. I have this field in my some other table. So create all this field here like employee ID. As each task will have a unique ID, so employee ID will not be the primary key here. Employee ID and the task, what task we are assigning to the employee. And instead of that task, I have one data element here. Save in the package. This is my data element. The label is status. Like what is the state of this task? Double click on data element. This is the domain. The values are in process, issue or completed. So this the task assigner, the ticket manager will create the task and will assign to the employee. The status, assignment date, target end date, actual end date, created by, created on, and time. Initially keep only those fields in the table. If you require, we can add some more field. Take one more field as name, employee name, emp underscore name. Take as char 50. Click on technical setting. Here select type transaction data. So this is not the master data, this is transaction data. Select the category 0. Click log change data. Save and check. Go back. Go to enhancement category. Cannot be enhanced. Save, check and activate. So first we have created a table. Okay, now go to SC80 enter the program as ZZEMP underscore assignment, employee assignment. Press enter, click yes, select with top include program, give the top include name ZZ, keep the first program name as it is ZZEMP underscore assignment underscore top. By default here you can see the model pool. Select this type as model pool, employee task. Save here, save in the request. Now system has created this program along with one include program ZZEMP underscore assignment top. Right click, activate. Now in the main program we can see the by default system has given some include name. Like whenever we are dealing with a model program, so one includes is for the data declaration which is there on the top. Second PBO module. Third one is PAI, and for all the subroutines there is one more include is there F01. Now what we'll do, we'll first declare the data as we have created the table data gs underscore assignment, type zzemp underscore. Take one more structure as master data, gs underscore emp underscore master, type zzemp underscore master. 7 activate. Now again on the main program, right click and create a screen. Give the screen name as 100. Enter. Main screen. Select whole data. Switch off runtime assistant. Hold scroll position. Without application toolbar. Save. Go to flow logic. Here uncomment the PPO. Uncomment the user command. Now create the PPO module. Now here either we can use this include program or we can give our own name. So we'll give our own name, PBO. Press enter. New include will be created. Click yes. Save in the package. Now you can see this is new PPO include is created. Now create a PF status for screen 100. PF1, title 1. Double click on PF1 to create a PF status. The PF, yes. Date. What we required? We want a save button. We want a back button. We want a exit button, and we want a cancel button. Save. Activate. Go back. Double click on title. Click yes. Here title as employee task oblique assignments. Oh, we not activate. Double again go here. Click on all title. Where to activate this? This is the inactive mode. Activate this. Go back. Now activate the main program. Include program. So in this way, after top declaration, we have done the PBO. Go back. Now create a PAI module. Give some name here. Process after input. Enter. Enter. This will create a new include. We can see here PAI module. So what we want here, case I ecom when back or exit or cancel set screen 0 when save perform save end case. Now we will have one more include program to have to store all our subroutines. Double click here. So either we can create that form end form in the existing assignment, or better to have different form routines. FR, like form routines. Go here, just activate it. We'll add a logic to store data in next in later stage. Again go to PI module. Here we have created the pi module. Activate this module. Go back. Go back. Directly jump to the screen. Now screen is not yet active. First activate it. Now click on layout button. Here let's create a screen similar to this screen. Okay, fine. Let's get the screen first. Now first we'll assign the employee temp employee id t task id. We will be creating the screen like this. Assign to the project task, the status, assign that targeted. So let's create all the field on the screen first. To task, create one more field as status. On the right hand side, create the field assign date, target, and actual end date. T assign date. Let's select assign date here. Get the field as target date. Target date for the completion of the task. Take one field as actual end date. The act date. Actual end date on which date the project is got completed. The task is completed. Now, okay. Take some field as created by. Created on. And time. Now add the field on the screen. Click here, dictionary of the program fields. So we have a table as gs underscore what we have created. Okay. Yes, to take the like the id and the employee id, take employee name, task, and take status. Now let me press one by one. This is the task id. This will be in display mode because this will be generated automatically. Here we will have the employee id. This is the employee name. So press the employee name here. Make the visible length small. Just make the visible as 30. And this will do only output field. Okay. Now place this here. Task. Okay. Do one thing. Task will require a bigger line. What task we are assigning, that will be here. and a status. What is the status of the task? And for status, we have a data element. We have assigned a domain. So we want the value should come in the F4 help. For that, here in the dictionary, in this tab, select show permanently. Add other field from the dictionary also. Assignment date, target, end date, actual end date. The date selection of option should be there. Go to program, select show permanently. Similarly for target date and actual date. And credit by credit on and time will be in the display mode. The system will automatically assign. Make as display mode only. Okay, so initially we will have only this field on the screen. Activate. So we can see in the main program, one is top includes, second is PBO, PAI, and a form routine. Now, what we'll do? Okay, for assign a transaction code to the screen. ZZEMP underscore assignment. Okay, let's give us ZZEMP underscore task. This is a dialog programming. Yes, press yes. This is a program name ZZEMP underscore assignment. Give the screen number 100. Select all three checkbox. Save in the package. First activate all the elements of program. Now as is a multiple program, so we cannot test it from the program itself. We cannot test from here. A report is not is type of M. So we need to execute to transaction code only. Double click here, execute. So we can see that our screen is created. We have the PF as per the PF status. We have the save button, back button, exit button. Okay, so we have not written any logic there. Okay, now we'll add the logic to store this data in the database table. And also, whenever the employee is assigned and we press the enter, automatically the name should come here. That will do. Go back, go to our screen, go to the user command. Now let's say when ent or enter or it is blank, and if gs underscore what is assignment date, the assignment, see employee id is not initial and gs underscore assignment name is initial, and if okay, let's only check first condition. If the employee ID is not initial, else if employee is initial, clear the name gs underscore ess employee name. Now select the name from the our employee master table. Select single Add this code. If the employee is not initial, by passing the employee ID, select the data from our employee master table into the structure and concurrently the title, first name and last name into our screen field into our screen field. Save and activate. Now go here. Just enter the employee ID. PH 1120 ID which we have stored in the database. So we can see the name is here. So what we have done in the PAI model, we have written the logic for that. Now we'll write down the logic for the save button. We have perform routing. Go here. So here we will assign the number range from the number range object. Now let's first check if our GS underscore assignment the ID is initial, and if now get the number range from the number range object. Click on pattern. We have a function module called get number underscore get underscore next. So we have created in SNRO we have created one number range object as ZZEMP, and the number range we have created is 01. So this will return always open the exceptions. Open this. This will return one number. And the number we want to assign to our ID. Okay, and whenever we are assigning the first time, if you are assigning the ID, assign some other field also, like who has created the record, created by name, created on data and the time. Use it EIT. So in this way what we have done, we have assigned the number. Here some mistake is there, we have to assign this here. Okay, so from this number object the one number will get assigned to our ID. We can add all our logic here. Okay, I'm not going into logic part. Modify ZZEMP underscore master from GS underscore assignment. Oh, sorry. This is GS ZZEMP underscore assignment table we have. Just give the message as record created successfully, type S and then set screen 0. Now again go here, execute, assign the employee ID, the name is here, assign the task, development is development of module pool program, get assigned date here and get a target date. Okay, here we need to call the status. Now save. The system is showing record created successfully. Now check in the table. This is the table. We'll see whether one record is created or not. So here we can see the number is automatically assigned to the primary key ID, and this is the employee ID, this is the employee name, this is task, and they created by this will come automatically. Go there. Yeah, because the status for that status field system was not showing select options. It was not giving the F4 help. Okay, I think my internet is slow. So, like in this session, we have seen how to create a multiple program using the mod MPP concepts. Okay, so in next session, what we'll do, we'll create one more screen 200. Okay, like here, what we have done, we have created a screen 100 for creating the task. So in next session, we'll create one more screen 200, and we'll see like for this transaction code, our first screen is 100. Okay, so in the next session we'll create screen 200, and we'll assign that to another transaction code, and in that screen 200 will be the first screen. So that we will see in the next session. So in this way we have finished like creation of program of type m and with custom number object. Thank you.